Good morning. This is your March 11th, 2025 economic news update. Let's dive into today's top stories. Stock market turmoil. The Nasdaq Composite took a sharp dive, falling 4% overnight, its biggest drop in nearly 2.5 years. Investors are rattled by growing fears of an economic recession, with tech stocks leading the sell-off. Market analysts warn that continued uncertainty over monetary policy could add further volatility in the coming weeks. Bitcoin's big drop. In the crypto market, Bitcoin has slipped below the $80,000 mark, as investors react to uncertainty over USA President Trump's economic policies. This decline comes after a strong rally earlier this year, leaving traders wondering if this is just a correction or the start of a larger downturn. Raw materials on the rise. Meanwhile, commodity prices are surging. Copper and iron ore have seen significant increases, driven by what analysts are calling the Trump risk and rising tensions between the USA and China over tariffs. Experts fear a repeat of global supply chain disruptions, similar to those seen during the Russia-Ukraine war 3 years ago. South Korea's financial reforms. On the domestic front, the Financial Services Commission is holding its 7th insurance reform conference today. Key topics on the table include securitization of death benefits and new capital regulations for insurers. The goal? To make South Korea's insurance market more competitive and investor-friendly. Government bonds for individual investors. For the first time ever, Mirae Asset Securities has opened subscriptions for 5-year government bonds specifically for individual investors. With 60 billion won available in this initial round, subscriptions are open from March 11th to 17. Korea's trade data on watch. And finally, all eyes are on the Korea Customs Service, which is set to release its trade data for March 1st to 10. Will the export slowdown continue, or could we see signs of a rebound? We'll have the latest numbers for you as soon as they come in. And that's it for today's economic update. Stay tuned for more throughout the day, and don't forget to subscribe for real-time market insights.